Hey y'all, welcome to another day of a video. Welcome back to another video. So how's your day today? Today is a good day. Today is a beautiful day. Let me roll my window up some. I got radios going and windows down. Y'all probably ain't gonna be able to hear me. Hold on. But yeah, she's doing well. Today is a productive day. It's about 3:30 on the next day after yesterday. Y'all get it, right? So yeah, today is a great day. What's on my schedule after 3:30? Well, I just got off work. I'm gonna go home for a second and probably like lay my head down for a minute, and then I do believe around 5. Is it 5? I'm gonna say around 5:30 or ish or something like that. I'm gonna take the truck, take it back up to the place and let him finish off whatever it is that he has to do, and that's a blessing. And then y'all, I don't know, but that's how the day is going so far. It has been very productive and very good. So let me know in the comments how is your day going so far, and what is the highlight of your day? The highlight of my day, y'all, was already this morning when I woke up this morning and opened up my eyes and was able to do what I had to do. I was able to move my limbs and all that great stuff. So that was the highlight of my day. Yeah, so today is going to be the day, y'all. We're going to finish out our project. So I will see you guys in a little while, okay? Hold the line, please. Some of these people, I had to come back. Some of these people need to be slapped, okay? The way they drive in and out. You don't know if you turning, if you going. How do you go in your car and drive and you can't distinguish where it is that you need to go until the last minute? Now either you high or you impaired or something got to be going on. How do people drive like that where y'all are? These people are crazy here in Ohio, the way they drive. I don't understand it. But anyway, when I get home, because I was going to come back until I just encountered like all these driving situations here. People are nuts how they drive. And y'all, I hope y'all here on my channel, if y'all drive like that, please go get some help. Go sit down somewhere. You can't be driving like that, scaring people out their mind. All right, we'll be back. All right, y'all, she's back. It is around, what time is it? I don't know because I'm on the phone with you guys. It's like 10 minutes or 10 minutes to 5 or something like that. And I have to be at the dealership at 5:15. Don't play about the time because I want my stuff done so I can move on with the next chapter of my life. The next chapter of what I need to be doing with my money, okay? But anyway, guys, I took a little, maybe 45-minute nap or whatever, but put on some clothes. I have on this little tank. This is called a canvasol, right, y'all? A canvasol. And I have on some black jeans from probably the Goodwill, okay? They're called Wild Fable. Yeah, that's the name of these, Wild Fable. And y'all, if y'all remember me wearing these used to be a little bit looser, I think. But anyway, that's what they look like. But anyways, I'm trying to hurry up and get out of here. I'm still sleepy, but I wanted to show you guys too the, don't say it, because one of y'all in the comments said, y'all missed the live, but y'all don't miss the chirping. That just started, because I don't know if you guys remember, it wasn't no chirping for a minute. Those 9-volt batteries are not no good. Yeah, I'm wearing this translucent one. And I'm going to put on some Egyptian musk and Izzy Miyake. That's what I'm going to wear. I had on something earlier, but I don't even remember what it was. I don't. But anyway, yeah. Getting ready to head there. Get that over with. And I'm going to show you guys. Let me get my sweater. I'm going to show you guys I'm going to show you guys the actual, the base, because the base is finished. I just have to spray it. But y'all, it be cold in that place, so I just want to make sure I got me a little sweater. And then the wind is blowing too a little bit. I think we might get some rain. But this is my OOTD with my Jesus sandals that's in the hallway. But anyway, Y'all, I had a really good time yesterday with the boys. I really, really did. I was telling them about, I'm going to share it with you guys right now. There was a, y'all better not be mad about my hair. Because last time I had my hair like this, somebody was like, oh my God, you didn't comb your hair. But I'm a black woman. Black women have black hair. And that's what I got. So if this offends anybody, I'm sorry, but I'm black. Okay? But anyway, I was sharing with the boys that I witnessed the other night that I thought I got rid of it, but the next day I seen it. Y'all, it was a cricket in here that was this big. Do y'all see that? You see my eyeball? Bigger than my eyeball. It was so big and black. I went to the vacuum, went to go get the vacuum to vacuum the cricket up, not to kill it, but to vacuum it up and to actually put the cricket in the vacuum and then slide it down flat with the vacuum, throw it out the door. I thought that's what I did, okay? Even though it was nighttime. After the cricket, wait a minute, y'all. The next day, I see the cricket. Yeah, I'm trying to darken this up because, okay. I see the cricket. It still ain't dark. What is the problem? Hold on, y'all. Is that better? Okay. Now, y'all, come on. I think I need it. I think it's time for a camera. Y'all, she might have to make an investment. It's not that much, but it is, but it ain't. Okay. Anyway, I thought I got the cricket out of here. The next day, y'all, I go in and open up the bedroom door. I just happened to look down. I don't know what I was looking for. God will direct your path. He will, really will, y'all. Seriously. Proverbs 3, 5, and 6. That is really real. Okay? So that's why I live by that. Trust in the Lord all your heart, lean not to your own understanding, but in all your ways, acknowledge him, and he shall direct your path. So directing my path was, look down on the ground, honey. Honey, I looked down for whatever apparent reason. I don't know why I was looking down. There was a cricket, that same cricket that I thought I threw out the vacuum on the floor. Y'all, I was in here. I cussed. I did. But I got the cricket out. So I was sharing with the boys yesterday about the cricket. Y'all should have seen them at the table when I was telling them this story. They was all in it. They was like, okay, now what's next? And I was telling them how it was the importance of not killing the insect. Because one of them was saying, well, did you kill it? I said, no, she don't kill insects. I thought y'all remember that. So long story short, now they know not to kill insects and why, because all insects have a reason for why they exist, because they have to help us and they kill other insects for not harming us. Then I had to share with them what was the most dangerous insect there is. But y'all don't probably know, but let me know in the comments because I already know what is the deadliest insect that you know that can take your butt out of here. Some people don't know. But anyway, let me go ahead. I just wanted to share that with you guys. I was excited about my day yesterday, and they were super excited. And for them to listen to me and just be all into it, it really made my day. That was one of the highlights of my day yesterday. So guys, let's show you the vase. Hold on. Let me put y'all down. Oh, wait. So, let me put y'all down, and then we'll see about this vase. Oh, y'all, it's 5 after. I got to get out of here. It is 5 after, and I have to go. So anyway, can y'all see me? So y'all, here is the vase. Isn't she pretty? So I'm all the way done with it, okay? I left the bottom. I got down to the bottom as much as I could. And then some of the top, like this red part, that's how you could tell that stuff that was, the coating that was on there is not really that great because it seeped through here. So all I have to do, and I can't see, I'm going to try to make it work, scrape off the little black areas. But if I don't, y'all, this is so nice. You got to remember, there's boys here. So if they tip this over, it would not crack as much as it was with the glaze on it, and it's so thin. This made it thicker. So now it's more sturdier. So if it falls on the floor, which I think I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to add some eucalyptus once I go to Trader Joe's. Probably one day this week I'll go to Trader Joe's. I'll make it my business to go to Trader Joe's because I want some eucalyptus and it's cheaper. Real live eucalyptus. To put in here, and I think I'm going to keep it in here, but when I come back we'll figure out what color we're going to actually do this. But I wanted to show you guys how it looked and everything. So yeah, so guys, I will see you all, oh boy, I will see you guys momentarily when I come back, and we're going to spray this baby. Okay, I'll see you guys. Thank you. See you on the flip side.